right. Prostate cancer is the most prevalent non-cutaneous cancer in American men, and it's the second leading cause of cancer-related deaths in those same men. And importantly, ethnicity is a major risk factor with a higher incidence and mortality from prostate cancer in men of African ancestry. Another point I want to make is that recent studies have shown that that cancer risk in tissues can be explained by the number of stem cell divisions in those tissues. So the normal stem cells. So if normal stem cells in that tissue proliferate at a higher rate, those organs have a higher incidence of cancers. And this suggests that cancer activity, stem cell activity is foundational to developing cancer in those. It's foundational for cancer etiology, period. And so in my laboratory, we've been studying human prostate stem cells for quite some time now, looking at their activity, their lineage commitment to other progenitor cells as they maintain the homeostasis of the normal prostate gland. And specifically, we're really interested in how environmental factors, chemicals in the environment, might target this population of cells and in so doing increase prostate cancer risk. And so what we've been looking at are these three chemicals right now that we've been funded and published on: bisphenol A, the natural metal arsenic, and PFAS chemicals, also known as forever chemicals. And all these chemicals humans are exposed to on a routine basis. And so what we've been able to demonstrate is that for bisphenol A, it in fact does increase prostate stem cell proliferation and numbers within the gland. It shifts lineage commitment. And when exposed, when normal human prostate grafts are placed in a mouse, it increases neoplasia and prostate cancer incidence, and an epigenetic mode of action was identified. For arsenic, we also see at levels of arsenic that are above the EPA recommended safe levels, we see an increase in the proliferation of the human stem cell population. And it's capable of directly transforming the stem and progenitor cells. And we found that this is through an activation of the nerve signaling pathway. And finally, in looking at PFASs, we find that the two legacy compounds, PFOS and PFOA, markedly elevate normal stem cell numbers and proliferation. And when mice that are harboring metastatic human prostate cells are exposed to PFOA or PFAS, it really accelerates the growth of those metastatic cells. And we find that that is through reprogramming of the stem cell metabolome. And so we've been able to show that environmental toxicants indeed are reprogramming stem and progenitor cells and increasing prostate cancer potential. Thank you.